Hello and welcome back to HUAWEI. In this video, I will show you how to set the gesture navigation on HUAWEI Pura 70 Pro. Let's begin. So, let's go into settings. And inside the settings, you want to scroll all the way down. Then, you want to head into System and Updates section. And then, click second option called System Navigation. Now you can switch from free-key navigation to gestures. If you want to, we can go through the process of gestures tutorial. I am not going to do that since I know how to use gestures, but if you don't, tutorial is a nice thing to get you started. And of course, we can always go into settings and, for example, slide across button to switch apps, which by default is turned on, but if you don't want this thing, you can simply remove the feature. The same things can be said about Show Navigation Bar. And if you ever need a refresher with tutorials and the little animation is not enough for you, you can always click Try It Out Gestures, which will do the same thing as a tutorial. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.